Public School Lakipuram. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the chief guest for the day, Brigadier Shailendra Singh, Commandant EOC Center, Chairman of Army Public School Lakipuram. The officer was commissioned on 11th December 1993. The Army Ordnance Corps. Sir is an alumnus of NDA for the past time.
Sir, rotate
and all his mandatory courses. For exemplary service beyond the call of duty, Sir has been awarded with Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card, Vice Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card, General Officer in Command, Northern Commander Commendation Card, Post Commander UN Mission Commendation Card. Sir is also a keen sportsman and plays golf, tennis, squash and badminton. Sir is married to Mrs. Simi Singh. Sir is accompanied by today's guest of honor, Mrs. Simi Singh.
Mrs. Simi Singh is a second generation army officer. Ma'am's father was an engineer's officer. Ma'am got commissioned in Army Ordnance Corps in 1995. Ma'am served for 13 years in the Indian Army and took premature retirement thereafter. Ma'am was awarded Northern Army Commander's Commendation during Operation Vijay for her exemplary work at 15 Field Ammunition Depot. Currently, Ma'am is a homemaker. Ma'am's hobbies include reading, yoga and traveling. We can see our smartly turned out NCC cadets escorting our chief guest, Cadet Shivam Mishra, Cadet Tejas, Cadet Satya Pradeep, Cadet Ganesh.
मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 है आपका स्वागतम है आपका कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों में सरटा
प्रशंसा प्रार्थना का सर्वोच्च रूप है। इस सुंदर प्रस्तुति के लिए धन्यवाद। May I now request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Archana Rai, to present the welcome address.
respected Brigadier Shailendra Singh, Commandant AOC Center and Chairman APS R.K. Puram, Mrs. Simi Singh, ma'am, esteemed guests, parents, staff, and my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. Today marks a significant day in the journey of our institution as we gather here for the investiture ceremony. A day dedicated to recognizing the young leaders among us who will carry forward the values and visions of our school. Firstly, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our new chairman, Brigadier Shailendra Singh and Mrs. Simi Singh. We are truly honored to have you both with us today. Your presence is a great source of motivation for our students and staff alike. Our chairman's exemplary leadership in the armed forces and dedication to our nation is truly inspiring. And I'm confident that under his guidance, our institution will continue to thrive and reach new heights. Our First Lady, Mrs. Simi Singh, ma'am, your support and involvement are equally cherished, and we look forward to your guidance and support to our school community. To the young leaders who are standing there, who are about to take on their new responsibilities. For you, it's a day of immense pride. Being selected as a part of the Student Council is not just an honor, but a call to serve with integrity, dedication, and humility. Your election through all the stages is a clear indication of your immense potential, and I'm certain you will excel in this role. As a leader, you must not only know the path, but you must also illuminate it for the others to follow. Leadership is not about power or position, but about the action, vision, and the courage to make a difference. Remember, children, that as you don your badges today, you are accepting a responsibility that goes beyond mere titles. You are the torchbearers for your school's ethos, our school ethos, and it is your duty to lead by example. Remember that the challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude, to be kind but not weak, be bold but not a bully, be thoughtful but not lazy, be humble but not timid, be proud but not arrogant, and must have humor but without folly. As a school, we are committed to nurturing our young leaders who are not only academically accomplished but also compassionate and socially responsible. I urge you to uphold the values of respect, discipline, and empathy in all your endeavors. Take this opportunity to grow, learn, and contribute meaningfully to the betterment of our school and society. I would like to express my gratitude to the teachers and parents who have played a pivotal role in shaping these young leaders. Your unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in their journey, and I know that with your continued encouragement, they will excel in their new roles. In conclusion, I once again extend my warmest welcome to Brigadier Shailendra and Mrs. Simi Singh. We are excited to embark on this new chapter, sir, and ma'am, under your leadership. To our student council, my heartfelt congratulations, and may you lead with wisdom and compassion. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request our principal ma'am to escort our chief guest for the inspection of the contingent.
नई जिम्मेदारी के साथ चुनौतियों का सामना करेंगे, नई ऊंचाइयों को छूने के साथ विद्यालय का नाम रोशन करेंगे। संकल्प ने शपथ चुन लिया है, संकल्प को दृढ़ किया है, नेतृत्व की भूमिका निभाएंगे, विद्यालय का गौरव बढ़ाएंगे। प्राण प्रण से करेंगे प्रतिकार, समर्पण की मांग अस्वीकार। दांव पर सब कुछ लगा है, रुक नहीं सकते, टूट सकते हैं मगर हम झुक नहीं सकते। सफर में भूख तो होगी, जो चल सको तो चलो, सभी है भीड़ में, तुम भी निकल सको तो चलो। इधर उधर कई मंजिल है, चल सको तो चलो, बने बनाए हैं साचे, जो ढल सको तो चलो, जो ढल सको तो चलो। जब आज मेरे सामने है रास्ता इतना बड़ा, जब तक मंजिल ना पा सकूं तब तक मुझे ना विराम है, चलना हमारा काम है, चलना हमारा काम है।
लीजिए ऐ अब्दुल्ला, हम अभी से क्या बताए क्या हमारे दिल में है।
नाराज़गी का काम नहीं, चलो अभी विश्राम नहीं, मंजिल अब खड़ी पुकार रही, बढ़ते जाओ। दूर सही जीवन है पग पग चलने में, गिरने में और संभलने में। जो भाग गया रणभूमि से अर्जुन फिर उसका नाम नहीं। चलो अभी विश्राम नहीं, चलो अभी विश्राम नहीं।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम।
यदि आपका कार्य एक ऐसी विरासत बनाता है जो दूसरों को अधिक सपने देखने, अधिक सीखने, अधिक कार्यरत रहने के लिए प्रेरित करती है, तो आप एक उत्कृष्ट नेता हैं।
सहयोग और एकता का संदेश देंगे, नई पीढ़ी को प्रेरित करेंगे, ज्ञान और कौशल का विकास करेंगे, सर्वोत्तम बनने का प्रयास करेंगे।
Leadership is practiced not so much in words but in attitude and actions. Ladies and gentlemen, we now proceed to the much awaited moment of this glorious day, that is the pipping ceremony. May I now request our principal ma'am to escort our chief guest, Brigadier Shalendra Singh, to the dais for the pipping of senior secondary leaders.
मंजिल नहीं कर्म बदलो, कुछ समझ ना आए तो गुरु का ध्यान करो। तुम मन की आवाज सुनो, तुम मन की आवाज सुनो। चलिए विद्यालय अलंकरण समारोह का आगाज करते हैं। हेड बॉय, हेड गर्ल। हेड बॉय कृष्ण छेत्री, विद्यालय बास्केटबॉल के खिलाड़ी, स्पेलबी अबैकस ग्रैंड मास्टर तथा एक अद्भुत स्केटर व अच्छे तैराक हैं। साथ में AISMTA दिल्ली पुरस्कृत हो चुके हैं। हेड गर्ल मनरूप कौर, शूरता के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए मनरूप कौर विद्यालय हेड गर्ल के पद पर अलंकृत हो रही हैं। वे एक अच्छी वक्ता है। इन्होंने संघ स्तरीय व अंतर सदन हिंदी वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिताओं में अपनी प्रतिभा का प्रदर्शन किया है। इन्होंने स्पेलबी प्रतियोगिता में बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया है। वह एक डॉक्टर बनने का मंतव्य रखती हैं।
Very good. Pick it up. Like the principal said, a lot of responsibilities come to you. I think like what is making such a thing? Get it up.
धैर्य और शौर्य का उत्तम प्रदर्शन करते हुए नए उत्तरदायित्व की ओर अग्रसर हो रहे हैं विद्यालय हेड बॉय हेड गर्ल कृष छेत्री और मनरूप कौर।
Marching proudly ahead are the vice head boy Ayushman Datta and the vice head girl Angelina Ron. Ayushman Datta believes in maintaining a balance between academics, CCA activities and physical fitness. He has participated in various CCA activities and has won several debates, singing and other competitions. And he believes in utilizing his full potential and giving best efforts towards the activities that interest him or contribute to helping his peers. Angelina excels in both academics and extracurricular activities. An accomplished athlete, she has made a name for herself in the realm of Taekwondo, earning the distinction of being a state-level silver medal holder for the year 2023.
Very nice, Ayushman. A lot of responsibility on your shoulders. Make it very nice. And congratulations. Work nice.
Now stepping forward towards the dais are the CCA captains Pranav Avinash and GS Wadyaru. Pranav Avinash likes to lead by example. He loves to inspire and motivate others. He is an apt guitarist and an excellent chess player. He has been a national level Spelby participant and a basketball enthusiast. He strives to be an engineer and work alongside his brother someday. Wadyaran is quite an inquisitive person, adept at picking up new skills. She was a part of the cluster's basketball team 2023 to 24. She has an interest in photography and likes to visit various places. She aims to become a fashion designer. Now stepping forward towards the dais are the CCA captains Yashwant Tabada and Khushi. Yashwant is an avid reader and writer. He is a runner-up in the ethics bowl competition held at Pune. He is also the zonal science Olympiad winner and aspires to become an astrophysicist. Khushi has participated in various debate, declamation and singing competitions. Since having keen interest in politics, therefore, she has participated in the IIMUN conference Jammu and has received a consolation prize for the same. She is also an IGQ gold medalist and an UPSC aspirant, and her main aim is to become the Prime Minister of India.
Heartiest congratulations. Thank you, sir. Very more college street. A lot of responsibility. Remember what yes, Raspal said. Yes, fight by all the rules and take everybody along. Yes. Heartiest congratulations. God bless you. Many more.
Marching forward are the YCC captains Abhimanyu Kumar M and Gloria E. Fernandez. Abhimanyu Kumar M is curious to learn about new innovations. He has a penchant for reading books and is an avid badminton and football player. He is an NDA aspirant and his main aim is to serve the country as an Indian Army officer. Gloria is a standout student excelling in academics and sports with a passion for public speaking. She is a talented pianist and guitarist. She has also made her mark in ethics bowl competitions and is going to represent APS Arkepuram in the final match at national level at Delhi.
खेल कप्तान, उसकी हिम्मत में ही मेरी जीत है। जिंदगी एक खेल का मैदान है, यह निर्भर करता है कि आप खिलाड़ी बनकर जीते हैं या आम इंसान बनकर। खेल कप्तान छात्र अनिमेश पटेल, फुटबॉल खिलाड़ी और पिछले साल रिलायंस टूर्नामेंट जीता, अबैकस ग्रैंड मास्टर और राष्ट्रीय अबैकस प्रतियोगिता में प्रथम उपविजेता रह चुके हैं और देश की सेवा करने के इच्छुक हैं।
खेल कप्तान छात्रा तृप्ति सिंह संघ स्तरीय एथलेटिक्स में कांस्य पदक और तैराकी में स्वर्ण पदक विजेता है। वह नेतृत्व की क्षमता भी रखती हैं।
అయిపోయాక
खेल उप कप्तान छात्र एसके नजमुल हक, खेल उप कप्तान छात्रा कृतिका। नजमुल एक बहुत अनुशासित छात्र हैं। राज्य स्तरीय, जिला स्तरीय क्रिकेट प्रतियोगिताओं में बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया है और कई पुरस्कारों से सम्मानित हुए हैं।
खेल उप कप्तान छात्रा कृतिका एक प्रतिभाशाली क्रांतीय क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी हैं। हाल ही में इन्होंने सीनियर वर्ग क्रिकेट में हैदराबाद राज्य का प्रतिनिधित्व भी किया है।
अनुशासन कप्तान, अनुशासन में रहने की भावना व्यक्ति के घर परिवार से ही आती है। अनुशासन ही अपने जीवन के उद्देश्य और उपलब्धि के बीच का सेतु है। इसी भावना से आगे बढ़ते हुए अनुशासन कप्तान छात्र कैंचे आर्यन संतोष एक सक्षम अबैकस राष्ट्रीय स्तर के चैंपियन, स्विस क्विज के क्विज मास्टर फाइनलिस्ट तथा सक्रिय वक्ता हैं। अनुशासन कप्तान छात्रा पूर्वी लखेरा, पर परंपरावाद को तोड़ती हुई हमारी अनुशासन कप्तान छात्रा हर्षोल्लास के साथ आगे बढ़ रही हैं। बहुआयामी व्यक्तित्व रखती हैं, कलात्मकता में रुचि भी रखती हैं तथा जिज्ञासु पाठक हैं। अनुशासन उप कप्तान छात्र शिवांश गोसाई और अनुशासन उप कप्तान छात्रा स्मिता कुमारी चौधरी। शिवांश गोसाई सार्वजनिक एवं वाद विवाद वक्ता, शतरंज व क्रिकेट खिलाड़ी भी हैं। कुछ नया सीखने में उत्सुक हैं और एनडीए के आकांक्षी भी हैं। वे अंतर सदन वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता के विजेता भी रह चुके हैं। अनुशासन उप कप्तान छात्रा स्मिता कुमारी चौधरी। स्मिता कुमारी उत्कृष्ट संपर्क कौशल से भरपूर हैं। ISSO और IEO में भाग ले चुकी हैं। वृत्तीय विश्लेषण में रुचि भी रखती हैं।
Okay? And congratulations.
अनुशासन उप कप्तान छात्र प्रयागराज रकुआ। अनुशासन उप कप्तान छात्रा वैष्णवी वलीगोंडा। प्रयागराज रकुआ सुअनुशासित सुव्यवहारिक छात्र हैं। पिछले 2 वर्ष से विद्यालय फुटबॉल टीम के खिलाड़ी भी हैं। वैष्णवी वलीगोंडा एक शतरंज खिलाड़ी हैं। जो बैडमिंटन में भी रुचि रखती हैं। वह एक शास्त्रीय नर्तकी हैं और उन्हें अपने प्रदर्शन के लिए कई पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुए हैं।
Striding towards the dais are the editorial board captains, Paras Chaudhary and Anushri. Paras is interested in scientific fields as well as in creative learning. He has participated in the Spell Bee competition held in state level. He is an abacus grandmaster. He is also a football player and has participated and won in inter-house football competition. Anushri has keen interest in literature and science. She has won several competitions like debate, extempore, story writing and declamation. She also happens to be a BIS quiz member.
Other than that, you should well, for writing, keep on reading. Same to you, God bless.
Coming up now are the Vice Editorial Board Captains, Y. Mohit and Reena Mukherjee. Mohit is a curious thinker, aspiring of innovative ideas and inspired by great scientists. He exhibits a combination of tech, coding, science and literature. He loves reading fiction novels and desires to become an author sometime in the future. He has also put an hilarious presentation at Code Day 2022. Reena is a keen learner and has stood third in zonal rank in SWF ISSO. She has been a karate green belt and has great interest in playing piano. She is also an UPSC aspirant.
Now striding forward are the PEC captains Neeraj Kumar and Devanshi Patel. Neeraj is an enthusiastic sports person. Learning new things is an art for him. He is self-motivated and likes to help others. Devanshi has consistently demonstrated leadership, dedication and a passion for fostering a positive environment. She shows her commitment to achieve academic excellence and has participated in many extracurricular activities too. Now marching forward are the PEC captains Shailesh Kumar and Richa Singh. Shailesh is quite interested in learning about fighter planes. He has participated in quiz competitions and is currently in school TCS quiz team and has also won the inter-house debate competition. He is quite passionate towards his goal and aspires to become an army officer. Richa is a good motivator and speaker. She has participated in inter-house as well as inter-school debate competitions. She is quite interested in criminal psychology. She has shown leadership qualities. She believes in maintaining a friendly environment around her. Her main aim is to become a doctor.
Artist congratulations, Shailesh. Very well done. Keep on doing well. Thank you. Artist congratulations. God bless. Keep on doing well.
Marching ahead now are the vice pack captains Aditya Goswami and Leah B. Aditya is a good motivator.
Artist congratulations, Aditya. Keep on doing well. We'll be so proud of you. Artist congratulations. Keep on doing well. God bless.
Striding ahead now are the cybersecurity captains Swayam Samal and Ananya Rai. Swayam is a curious learner and he excels in editing skills. He has a great liking towards cricket and wants to represent his school team. His goal in life is to become a CPA. Ananya excels in balancing both academics and sports, proving that true leadership lies in mastering both the mind and the body. She has represented our school in CBSE basketball cluster and many inter-school competitions. She is an active member of the debate team and aims to become an SDM.
Artist congratulations. You have a very important task to do. You must educate everyone. Monopoly, fraud, do all kinds of online problems with everything. You know, they must educate them as best as possible. So if you understand, God bless.
Marching forward, the vice cybersecurity captain Himanshu Singh and Yashvi Grewal. Himanshu is a great athlete and has represented our school at CBSE cluster level. He has also taken part in many marathons like Vijay Divas and aims to win the national athletic competition this year. Yashvi is a multi-skilled and creative person, a 10th board topper. She is a badminton player and secured first position in inter-house throwball competition. She had got many prizes in painting competitions, first prize in international doodle art competition. She has participated in debate competitions, science quiz, maths quiz, and various other activities in the school.
Artist congratulations. Keep on doing well. And God bless. Artist congratulations. Keep on doing well.
Now we have special pipping for Mrs. Usha Mani Naidu ma'am. Mrs. Usha Mani Naidu, PGTP Physical Education, was commissioned as third officer in December 2008. She has recently been promoted as Chief Officer from Officers Training Academy, Gwalior. She is known for her remarkable contribution in the field of NCC training arena. She has modeled deserving cadets to RDC Parade New Delhi almost every year. She deftly mentored cadets for adventure camps, IGC, local RDC, and so on. Her perseverance and resilience has led cadets to make their stands by securing seats in MBBS as well as getting commissioned as lieutenants in Officers Training Academy through NCC Special Entry Scheme.
Artist congratulations. God bless. Keep on doing government service which you are. Very nice. Next check.
Thank you for doing the honors, sir.
सम्माननीय विशिष्ट अतिथि श्रीमती सिम्मी सिंह जी को हम सादर आमंत्रित करते हैं कि वे माध्यमिक छात्र परिषद के अलंकरण हेतु पधारे तथा माननीय प्रधानाचार्य जी से अनुरक्षण हेतु निवेदन करते हैं।
Balance of leadership is to be strong but not rude, be kind but not weak, be bold but not a bully, be thoughtful but not lazy, be humble but not timid, be proud but not arrogant, have humor but without folly. These values are induced in students from a young age in APS RK Puram.
माध्यमिक विद्यालय कप्तान छात्र वैभव पानीकर, माध्यमिक विद्यालय कप्तान छात्रा स्तुति घोषाल। वैभव पानीकर कक्षा 9वीं में एक अनुशासन कप्तान रहे हैं। पिछले साल विद्यालय की फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट टीम में भाग लिया था। इन्हें संगीत का शौक है और वे गिटार भी बजाते हैं और इन्होंने कई मौकों पर विद्यालय का प्रतिनिधित्व भी किया है। माध्यमिक विद्यालय कप्तान छात्रा स्तुति घोषाल एक स्वावलंबी नेतृत्व करने की क्षमता रखती है, नाटक तथा नृत्य की शौकीन है और उत्तम प्रतिभा तथा उत्कृष्ट स्वभाव से अपनी ओर आकर्षित करती हैं।
माध्यमिक विद्यालय उप कप्तान छात्र उरायन शर्मा, माध्यमिक विद्यालय उप कप्तान छात्रा बी साई वरुणी। उरायन शर्मा अत्यधिक प्रेरित और उत्कृष्ट छात्र हैं जो शिक्षा और खेल के बीच संतुलन बनाते हैं। वो एनडीए में शामिल होने और ट्रिथलॉन ओलंपिक में स्वर्ण अर्जित करने में भी अपनी क्षमता का प्रदर्शन कर चुके हैं। वर्तमान में वह एक राष्ट्रीय खिलाड़ी हैं। बी साई वरुणी शैक्षिक गतिविधियों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन का निर्वहन करती हैं। एक एनसीसी कैडेट है। वाद विवाद तथा सार्वजनिक भाषण में भी बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया है।
For doing the honor. तुम हो हिमालय दो शिखर है, एक तुम हो रहे साक्षी लहरता सिंधु मेरा, कि भारत हो धरा का बिंदु मेरा।
మళ్ళీ రీకనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా డేటా కాదు డివైస్ హాట్ అవుతుంది హీట్కి
Now we proceed to the picking of schoolhouse captains and vice captains to inculcate in students a sense of belonging, competitive spirit, and self-confidence. All the students from classes 1 to 12 are enrolled into 4 houses, namely Kabir, Mira, Rahim, and Tulsi. As the name suggests, devotion and dedication for every endeavor is the motto here.
Now, I request the house in charge teachers to do the honors. On the left, we have Kabir and Meera houses with their respective house in charges. Miss Ashalata ma'am and Miss Nalini Ratna ma'am. On the right, we have Rahim and Tulsi houses with their respective house in charges, Mr. G. Santosh sir and Mr. Srinivas sir.
Kabir House, represented by Gaurav Rajora and Sonali Kushwa, as the vivacious house captains stride forward to receive their captaincy.
हमारे विद्यालय के मीरा सदन की मुख्य कप्तान छात्र धर्मेश मिश्रा, हमारे विद्यालय के मीरा सदन की मुख्य कप्तान छात्रा ओमिका सुरेश।
मीरा सदन के उप कप्तान छात्र PLN भरत चंद्रा, छात्रा श्रिया सिंह धैर्य और शौर्य के साथ अलंकृत हो रहे हैं।
Rahim House, led by Rajat Pratap Singh and P. Harshita, move forward, ready to take the challenge of upcoming responsibilities. They are followed by Vice House Captains Bhavi Patel and Pani Goswami.
YS ऑब्स्टेन और श्रेया पांडे कदम ताल के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए तुलसी सदन की मुख्य कप्तान छात्र और छात्रा, तुलसी हाउस के उप कप्तान छात्र अभिनव और तुलसी सदन की मुख्य कप्तान छात्रा GS थॉमसफी।
Thank you, in charge teachers, for doing the honors.
Let us now move forward with the pipping of Junior Wing Council members. I would like to request Mrs. Swaraj ma'am and the senior CC in charge teachers to do the honors.
ना थकना है, ना रुकना है, ना टूटना है, ना झुकना है, अब बस आगे बढ़ना है, अब बस आगे बढ़ना है। पाना है मंजिल को, जीना है ख्वाबों को, छूना है आसमां को, छूना है आसमां को।
Junior CCA captains from class 8, Akarshan Bajpai and Apeksha. Junior CCA captains from class 7, Bhaskar Kumar and Sonakshi Singh. Junior CCA captains from class 6, Dikshant Moikar and Advita. Junior sports captain from 8, Sudarshan Karade and Vaishnavi. Junior sports captain from 7, Priyanshu and Yashika Chaudhary. Junior sports captain from 6, Gaurav Kumar and Arohi Baraili. Junior discipline captain from 8, B. Harshavardhan and Anvesha Mishra. Junior discipline captain from 7, Sumit Singh and Bhavi. Junior discipline captain from 6, Aditya and Ansika Kumari. Junior pick captain from 8, Aditya Chabe and R. Zuara. Junior pick captain from 7, Nelson Thamaram and P. Vaishali Priya. Junior pick captain from 6, Ezekiel Tangela and Sri Harini.
Now let's move to the junior house captains. I very humbly request the respective house mothers of junior wing, Mrs. Sarla ma'am from Kabir House, Mrs. Sunita Rautare ma'am from Meera House, Mrs. Narendra Kaur ma'am from Rahim House, and Mrs. Garima Pandey ma'am from Tulsi House to do the honors. Kabir House captains Kinshuk and Drishti Singh. Kabir Vice House captains Pranay Kumar and Tanya Ghosh. Meera House captains Manish Kumar and Swarajita Das. Vice House captains Aditya Raj and Hanshika. Rahim House captains Aaron Scott and Megha Pant. Vice House captains Thota Janeshwar and Ashi Kumari. Tulsi House captains Arjun Kumar Sharma and Ayushi Yadav. Vice House captains Vivian Vijay and Ashpreet Kaur. Thank you, teachers, for doing the honors.
Proceeding ahead with the investiture ceremony, we now have our energetic leaders from primary wing ready to take their responsibilities.
अभी हुई है शुरुआत मेरी, हर रोज कदम यूं बढ़ाऊंगा, सिर्फ एक कदम चलते चलते एक दिन मंजिल भी पा जाऊंगा।
I would very humbly request Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am and Mrs. Lalita Krishna Ma'am to do the honors. Head boy Samarth and head girl Amreen. CCA captain boy Arnab and CCA captain girl Raghavi. Sports captain boy Shivam and sports captain girl Gurleen.
Congratulations. What is your name? Samar. Your Sardo's brother? You know me?
Vice head boy Anant and vice head girl Arika Dugirala. Vice CCA captain boy Puli Joel and vice CCA captain girl Samaira. Vice sports captain boy Raman and vice sports captain girl Veera. Thank you Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am and Mrs. Lalita Krishna Ma'am for doing the honors. Now
I would humbly like to request the CC in charge, Mrs. Padmalata ma'am and the primary house mothers to do the honors. From Kabir House, Mrs. Naveena ma'am. From Meera House, Mrs. Aisha ma'am. From Rahim House, Mrs. Gai.
Discipline Captain Shreyansh, Rahim House Captain Girl Tirtha, Rahim House Vice Captain Boy Virat, Rahim House Vice Captain Girl Ananya, Tulsi House Captain Boy Hardik Tora, Tulsi House Captain Girl Alena Varghese, Tulsi House Vice Captain Boy Ashwin Sharma, Tulsi House Vice Captain Girl Lakshita. Thank you in charge teachers for doing the honors.
सब रोकेंगे तुझे, टोकेंगे तुझे, तू ये ना कर, तू वो ना कर, बोलेंगे तुझे, पर तू ठहरना ना एक पल के लिए, देख अपनी मंजिल की राह।
Boy Devik Singha, BV2, and discipline in charge boy Devik Singha, BV2,
and Discipline in Charge Girl Suraksha Shri BV2.
ప్రెజెంట్ చేస్తున్నా.
Last but not the least is the pipping of our most efficient and hardworking captains of the discipline committee. Classes 3 to 12 to do the honors.
वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो, हाथ में ध्वजा रहे, बाल दल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं, वीर तुम बढ़े चलो, धीर तुम बढ़े चलो।
Thank you, teachers, for doing the honors. The council members of Army Public School Akipuram will now be taking the oath of integrity and commitment of their duties and responsibilities. The Student Council will now pledge to abide by the creed of their alma mater and fulfill their duties according to the respective portfolios to the best of their abilities.
विपदाओं का सामना कड़ी मेहनत लगन से करूंगा, दृढ़ निश्चय होकर अपनी मंजिल की ओर बढ़ूंगा, लक्ष्य पर निगाहें हर वक्त जमाए रखूंगा, प्रतिज्ञा है मेरी लेकर गुरुओं का आशीर्वाद सबका सम्मान करूंगा, शिष्टता व्यवहार प्रत्येक के साथ करूंगा, प्रतिज्ञा है मेरी।
One can witness the student council members of our school marching in perfect unison in their crisp uniform, setting into a semicircle to take their earnest vow. Each one of them bears in their hearts immense pride and sense of duty in delivering their best in every sphere. With commitment and integrity leading the ceremony are the students' captains.
Prove ourselves worthy to the trust imposed in us. Jai Hind!
We wish our newly appointed council members all success in their endeavors and hope that the academic year ahead will be fruitful in all aspects.
शपथ आज यह ली मैंने, लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर लूंगा, एक दिन बड़ी जीत हासिल कर विश्व का इतिहास रच लूंगा। सपना देखा अपनी आंखों से, नींदों को खोकर मैं सपना संपूर्ण करूंगा, प्रतिज्ञा है मेरी। उठना है तुझे, नहीं गिरना है, जो गिरा तो फिर से उठना है, अब रुकना नहीं एक पल तुझको, बस हर पल आगे बढ़ना है, बस हर पल आगे बढ़ना है।
जय श्रीमान। श्रीमान, परेड की अनुमति चाहते हैं श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान।
May I now request our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Archana Rai, to escort our chief guest to proceed down to the saluting base.
नूतन का अभिनंदन हो, प्रेम पुलकित जन जन हो, नव स्फूर्ति भर दे नव चेतन, टूट पड़े जड़ता के बंधन, शुद्ध स्वतंत्र वायुमंडल में निर्मल तन निर्भर मन हो, निर्भर मन हो।
In the night of doubt and fear, a guiding star shines ever clear, not to overpower, but to lead, with wisdom's light and selfless deed. Their strength lies not in the voice so loud, but in the quiet amidst the crowd, with grace to guide, with vision far, a true leader or guiding star. Leadership is not a position or title. It is an action, an example. It is the power to inspire others, to bring forth change, and to foster a spirit of unity and excellence. Today, we honor those who have shown that true leadership is a tapestry woven with threads of service, commitment, and the relentless pursuit of goals that uplift and empower us all.
अपने फौलादी कदमों से कदम ताल करते हुए गर्जन के साथ मंच को सलामी देते हुए छात्र परिषद का जत्था उत्साह, कर्मनिष्ठा और देश सेवा की प्रतिज्ञा के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है।
Kabir House is led by Gaurav Rajora and Sonali Kushwaha. They are determined to lead the house to achieve new heights. They believe that perseverance is the only way to lead the path to success.
कोई कृष्ण दासी बोले तो कोई कृष्ण दीवानी, कुछ तो भक्तिन कहे कुछ कहे बंजारे, सुध खो गई कुमारी बन गई जोगन गिरधारी।
कृष्ण भक्ति शाखा में भक्त शिरोमणि मीराबाई के नाम पर हमारे विद्यालय का मीरा सदन का जत्था धर्मेश मिश्रा और उमिका सुरेश के नेतृत्व में आगे बढ़ रहा है।
के तुलसी सदन का जत्था YS ऑब्स्टेन और श्रेया पांडे के नेतृत्व में अग्रसर हो रहा है। रहेंगे जब तक श्वास है, परिस्थिति से परे स्वयं पर हमें विश्वास है। एक रास्ता मिला नहीं तो क्या, नई राहें ढूंढ लेंगे। हम वो मुसाफिर नहीं जो चलना छोड़ देंगे।
The NCC contingent of girls from 7th Telangana Girls Battalion NCC Hyderabad group is led by Cadet Anushka Palabantarai. She got shortlisted for the RDC selections in cultural activities. She was also shortlisted for IGC. Following her is the play card holder, Cadet Anika Suresh.
संगीत सुरताल का संगम है। संगीत मानव जीवन का आधार है। इसी जीवन रूपी संगीत के धुन में AOC सेंटर का पाइप है। मैं सुबेदार एसपी भारती जी के नेतृत्व में लगातार के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है। हम AOC के इस समायोजित काम के लिए धन्यवाद व्यक्त करते हैं।
बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
कुछ कांटों से सज्जित जीवन, प्रखर प्यार से वंचित यौवन, निर्वत्ता से मुखरित मधुबन, परहित अर्पित अपना तन मन, जीवन को शत शत आहुति में चलना होगा, गलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
मुझे बुझा कर देखे कोई, बुझने वाला दीप नहीं मैं, जो तट पर मिल जाया करती ऐसी सस्ती सीप नहीं मैं। शब्द शब्द मेरा मोती है, गहन अर्थ ही सच्चा धन है, मुझ में ज्योति और जीवन है, मुझ में ज्योति और जीवन है।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Let us now behold our future leaders. These young individuals are the embodiment of our hopes and dreams for the future. A round of applause to welcome these proud stewards of our school.
जो कदम बढ़े हैं अब ना रुकने चाहिए, कारवां जो चल पड़ा है चलते रहना चाहिए, जो आग भड़क रही है सुलगती रहनी चाहिए, धुआं जो उठ रहा है उठते रहना चाहिए, जो मशाल जली है जलती रहनी चाहिए, युवा जाग गए हैं नई राह मिलनी चाहिए।
Next up, we have the prize distribution.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pushpalata Gali, PGT English, and I am here to seize this moment to celebrate our school's recent achievements. This month, students from classes 1 to 12 participated in various inter-school competitions, bringing laurels to our school. Today, we take this opportunity to recognize and celebrate some of these remarkable accomplishments. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Brigadier Shailendra Singh, Commandant AOC Center and Chairman of our school, to kindly present these prestigious awards. Every year, our students from classes 1 to 12 take part in various subject Olympiads recognized by SOF India. I am thrilled to announce that APS Arkipuram has been recognized as the best performing school in the Olympiads. I now invite Mrs. Ranendra Kaur, our SOF in charge teacher for the year 2023-24, along with our Olympiad star, Master Rituraj Ghosh of class 10, to come forward and receive this best school trophy. Let's give them a big round of applause. APS Arkipuram boasts one of the finest infrastructures for sports. It has one of the best basketball courts, and with the perseverance of our students and excellent coaching by our PTIs, our basketball team clinched the prestigious Reckleford Sports Chairman's Cup 2024 on August 2nd. I now call upon our basketball team Captain Himanshu Singh and Vice Captain G. Prem to come and receive the trophy. On 2nd and 3rd of August, Meridian International School conducted its annual cultural and literary festival called Melange 2024. In a fierce arena where nearly 25 schools clashed, APS Arkipuram stood tall and proud, capturing the second runner-up trophy for securing the maximum number of victories. I call upon our inter-school in charge, Mrs. Santosh Kumari Verma, along with Moktika, an all-rounder, to receive the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, this trophy is a testament to the indomitable spirit of our students who, like the phoenix, rise again and again, stronger and more determined. Moktika and Lakshmi Prasanna from class 11. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors.
A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. Now, I solemnly request our chief guest, Brigadier Shailendra Singh, to address the gathering.
Dear parents, Principal R.K. Puram Army Public School, teachers, the entire staff, and the vibrant children from both the wings, primary as well as the senior wing. It is indeed a matter of honor for me to have presided over this lovely investiture ceremony. And what I would like to reiterate, that the way I am feeling proud of being part of this ceremony, each one of you should be very proud that you are part of one of the best army public schools in the entire country. And it has been possible entirely due to the effort, due to the hard work, due to resilience, due to the contribution of each one of you, whether it be the students, the support staff, the teachers, and the management hierarchy. So my kudos to each one of you for this milestone, and I have no doubts the school will grow from strength to strength. Coming on to the dear students who've been given the responsibility of various appointments as laid down in the school curriculum, let me just reiterate, with the position of power comes great responsibility. And you all must strive to complete the task at hand with lot of pride, lot of elan, lot of camaraderie, and taking everybody together. A good leader is one who takes his entire team across the line. So don't develop any ego. There is no place for ego in our lives. Shed the ego. Accept this onerous responsibility with a lot of humility. I would like to commend the parents of all the children who've been felicitated, their peer group, their teachers, who played a very big role in shaping up your progression. The drill, the display, the various aspects of the investiture ceremony were very wonderfully conducted. My compliments to each one who was involved in this. I would not go in much details because your principal has covered all the relevant aspects, so I'll keep it short and crisp. I want to see the entire school gaining glory as the day passes, as a very cohesive team. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
आभार, नमन, अभिनंदन, धन्यवाद। मुख्य अतिथि के अनमोल वचनों के लिए हम कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करते हैं। दुनिया के भवन में साहस के गीत गाकर चलना है। आई लाख बाधाएं तो क्या, हमें जीत पाकर चलना है।
सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा सरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, विद्यालय का झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
Gratitude opens the doors to wisdom and creativity. It is an inward feeling of the kindness received. Thankfulness is the natural impulse to express it. Thanksgiving is the following of that impulse. With this thought, I now request our respected Mrs. Pushpalata ma'am to present the vote of thanks.
Once again, I'm here on behalf of the principal, staff and students of Army Public School, Arkipuram. It is my privilege as a CCA in charge to deliver the vote of thanks for today's investor ceremony. First and foremost, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Brigadier Shailendra Singh, Commandant AOC Center and Chairman of our school for gracing this occasion. Your words of wisdom and encouragement have truly inspired our students, and we are honored to have you with us today. We extend our sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Mrs. Simi Singh. Your presence and support have added great value to this ceremony. Thank you for being with us here, and we look forward for your continued association with our school. Our heartfelt thanks goes to AOC Center for providing us with all necessary arrangement, especially the band. Your unwavering support and commitment have been instrumental in making today's event a success. I would also like to thank all our distinguished guests for taking time to be with us today. We are truly grateful for your support and encouragement. A special word of thanks to the parents who have joined us today. Your support and cooperation are the foundation of our student success. We are fortunate to have such a strong partnership with you, and we look forward to your continued involvement in their journey. I will take a moment and take your attention to the formation that our students have formed. It is the torch of Olympics, a torch which is ready for the torch bearers to carry it and soar the school flag high in the sky. Finally, I would like to congratulate our newly elected council members. You have earned this honor through your dedication, hard work, and the trust of your peers and teachers. We are confident that you will lead with integrity, passion, and commitment to excellence. Thank you once again to everyone who made this day memorable.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up for the national anthem. Everybody, please get ready for the national anthem.
भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्जल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
सुखद सुगंधित सुमन सम सृष्टि सृजन श्रृंगार। सुखद सुगंधित सुमन सम सृष्टि सृजन श्रृंगार। सरल समर्पित स्नेह से सुखद सुधा संसार। इसी भावना के साथ हम प्रगति, अंश और अंजलि आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल आर के पुरम के छात्र एवं छात्राएं आप सभी की उपस्थिति हेतु कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
शुभ मध्याह्न,
शुभ मंगल।
जय हिंद, जय भारत।
May I now request our esteemed guests and dignitaries to kindly proceed for the high tea to the Ranjit block.